pythonunittest setting a global variable correctly. I have a simple method that sets a global variable to either true or false depending on the method parameter. This global variable is called feedback and has a default value of false. When I call setFeedback, the global variable will be changed to be feedback equals true. When I call setFeedback, and the global variable will be changed to be feedback equals false. Now I am trying to test this using unittest in Python. When I run this test, I get the following error: assertion error column false is not true. Since I know that the method works correctly, I assume that the global variables are reset somehow. However, since I am still very new to the Python environment, I don't know exactly what I am doing wrong. I have already read an article here about mocking, but since my method changes a global variable, I don't know if mocking can solve this. I would be grateful for suggestions. Here is the code. main.py. test_main.py.
There are two problems with your test. First, you use input in your feedback function that will stall the test until you enter a key. You probably should mock input. Also, you may consider that the call to input does not belong in setFeedback. See comment by Chepner. Second, from main import will not work here, apart from being bad style, because this way you create a copy of your global variable in the test module. Changes in the variable itself will not be propagated to the copy. You should instead import the module, so that you will access the variable in the module. Third, this is taken from the answer by Chepner. I had missed that. You have to make sure that the variable is at a known state at test begin. Here is what should work.
You don't need to mock anything, you just need to ensure that the global variable is in a known state before running each test. Also, using from main import creates a new global named feedback in your test module, distinct from main.feedback, which setFeedback is modifying.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.